Here's how to create a drop-down list in Apple Numbers. If you want to let people choose from a specific list of options in a cell, it's really simple to set up. Let's open this example spreadsheet. I'm using Apple Numbers. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the App Store. In this case, I have a guest list, and I want to track each guest's favorite dessert for a party. We'll set it up so each cell has a drop-down menu to choose from. The easiest way to do this is to first select the cells where you want the drop-downs. For example, I'll highlight these 4 cells, one for each guest. Next, look to the top right and click on Format. In the Format panel, switch to the Cell tab. Under Data Format, change it from Automatic to Pop-up Menu. Numbers will automatically fill in some placeholder items. Item 1, Item 2, and so on. You can link this to a list if you have one, but I find it quicker to just type in the items manually. So let's go ahead and enter. Ice cream, apple pie, cherry pie. By default, all cells will show the first item, ice cream, but that's not ideal. Instead, scroll down and change the Start With option to blank. Now, when you click into a cell, for example, Amy's row, you can choose from the drop-down, like selecting apple pie. If you have a longer list of items, you can also create the drop-down in one cell, then copy that cell and paste it into others to reuse the same list. That's it. Now each cell has a clean drop-down menu, and you can easily track each guest's dessert choice. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.